motor then, mate. Oh my god, this is quick. Oh god. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, that is absolutely pandemonium. It is a very fast dodger. Oh god. Don't worry. Oh, lovely. Oh, turn the wheel.
Go forward. Keep your foot on the pedal.
That's it. Keep go, just keep going. Lovely dodger, really quick. Very fast. These are absolutely mental dodgers. Oh, ho, ho. Turn the wheel.
One way around.
On the track.
One way around the track, please. You get a faster ride.
It is a very fast ride. You're going the wrong way. You're going neither of you. Follow the arrow. Lovely! Back in the zone. Very good dodging. Love them. These locks dodging. Very, very good dodging. Never done a fast dodging. Oh! 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 Good assistance there. Glad to help out. Get stuck. Oh, very good dodger. Very, very good. I've never done a fast dodger before, but these are really, really fast. And the music's good as well for the older, for someone like my age. Oh, lovely. Get on these lock dodgers wherever you see them. Get on them. Very, 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 very quick. Lovely, really good. Never dodge them. Oh god, that was close. Oh, nearly had the guy as well. Crocodile. Oh, sorry folks, don't need to say. Very good dodger battle this, really good. Oh, 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 crikey almighty, that was lethal. I think that's it. That was an absolute lethal dodger, but that was good, like it. Get down your unlocked dodgems and Caldicot. Thank you. Next fight, bye for now. Bye.